So we've got a Canon AT-1 picked up from a house clearance. The body and condition is very, very tidy, as you can see. Really immaculate all round. But we're going to do a little CLA on it, clean, lubricate and adjust, just to get it working really nicely. This is the poor cousin of the AE1, the AT1. Probably about 80 to 90% the same as an AE1, available much cheaper on the second-hand market now because of the lesser known qualities, but I think essentially it's the shutter priority version of the AE1. It's a beautiful form factor. So let's open up the back and see what the light seals are like. That's our first port of call. And again, the shutter looks really tidy and clean in here, really nice. But as you can see, the light seals, both of the door light seals are really deteriorated. Light seals in here too look as if they're not too bad. I think there's a light seal there as well, and that one seems to be okay. Yeah, so the focus is going to be around this area here. Got a few tools for this task. We're going to be using some good old isopropyl alcohol in a dropper. It's quite a good way of making sure you don't overuse it. And we're going to need some cotton buds, some wipes, usual blower, cleaner. Get a better look with a magnifying glass, and we might use something like this spudger just to get some of the worst of the old debris off. And we've got ourselves a light seal bumper pack from cameramil.co.uk that'll have what we need. So first thing we're going to do is remove the back door. There's a little spring here. I can pull that down and release the back door. And then we can really get at the perished light seal. Taking a lot of care really to make sure we don't get any of the debris in this area here, the shutter mechanism, or anywhere in there really. The good thing about isopropyl alcohol is that it will fully evaporate. So we're just going to apply a little bit to the old seal. And then just let it soak in. A bit more alcohol. There's quite a narrow strip in there that it actually sits in, so when we cut the new piece we're going to have to make sure it's of the right width. There is a recess there. I think we're down to the glue backing here, still quite stubborn. You can see the plastic or the metal background starting to emerge. and give it a final wipe across. But isopropyl alcohol is good because it tends not to leave any residue. So that's the area we're going to be replacing the rear door light seal in. And then on this one, I haven't quite got all of the glue off there, but I don't want to do too much more because it'll start to loosen the glue on the cover here. So we've got a variety of seals. Some of them are sticky backed, and there are a variety of widths, as you can see. And others are non-backed. I'm going to use the glue backed, sticky backed. That would be too thick, I would say. Possibly too thin. That looks about right to me. And I'm just using this Dala 507 to get the strips I need. So there we go, there's the little section for the rear door. I'm going to try and peel the backing off. Then pop it into place. So that's the completed job. And the next bit I'm going to do is the mirror cushion. So I don't know if you can see. There's a piece of felt that goes along there which protects the mirror when it flips. And I've taken the old one off now, it was really badly deteriorated. So we'll pop the new section in there.